My name is Dagna Dmitrovic. I'm one of the trainers for It's Up to Me. I was holding the workshop on a trainer's competence model, which was developed in the frame of ETS, European Training Strategy. So basically what we did, the young trainers were discovering, exploring each competence, interviewing themselves in a whole room. So basically we changed the seminar room into big pizza, divided into 7 pieces, and each piece was holding one competence. And then after understanding the competences, they could find themselves which competence is developed now, which they find it's my competence, I feel confident in that. And then the second step was to define the competence that I'm interested in, I would like to develop, I'm curious about. And in this sense we created kind of feeling of community learning, because we could see the strengths and weaknesses of the trainers here in this community. For the training It's Up to Me, we design the whole training based on the competence model. We use in all our sessions. They are integrated into this because we find this competence model as a map, guidance, how to be a professional and qualified trainer. It doesn't mean that each trainer has to be similar to the another one. In contrary, can find dominant competence, still being aware of other competences, because all of them are very important for the work as a trainer in intercultural groups. And also makes the whole profession as a trainer more recognized, because till now we were not well defined as a community. And as I find the profession as a trainer very powerful and very impactful, this is finally something that we can refer to, and also we can build around those competences trainings. So the new trainers, they have to know and be aware and understand the competence model, because later on they will train another trainers and they have to somehow pass forward those guidance.